Hello guys, my name is Tahir and I am architectural engineer. So one of my client recently approached me and she asked me that she need a structure like this, but in that structure there will be a bottom floor where she wants to cook food, like kitchen area or food preparation area, and on the top floor she needs some sort of a platform where she can exhibit some Amazon products, and so the people can climb up to the this platform and like visit that stall. So this platform, the overall height for the structure will be 15 feet, and this platform finish floor level will be 7.5 feet. Okay, so we will have some sort of, you can say, 1 feet thickness, overall thickness of this floor, including the steel beams and steel platform or decking, you can say. So let's start modeling this structure in SketchUp, so my client can visually see how uh, uh, her required structure will look like. Okay, we are going to like estimate the dimension of this column. This seems to be some sort of like a 6 by 10, 6 by no 5 by 10 inches of steel column. So let's draw it in SketchUp. So 5 by 10. Okay, you can rotate it like this. So you can offset around maybe 3 by 4 inches. Okay, and you can draw these lines just to create a shape of a column. Now you have to offset, okay, 3 by 8 this side, 3 by 8 this side. You have to erase these lines, you have to draw some line to make it a column, then finally you can extrude the column. Okay, you have to erase these lines. Okay, as I told you that the bottom height of the structure will be 7.5 feet. Okay, so let's make it as a group. Now we can edit this group and extrude up to 7.5 feet. Okay, we also have to like create some base plate. 3 by 4 inches thick. You can do like 2 inches offset each side, 2 inches offset each side. Okay, like this. Okay, for bolting, it's just a concept, so we do not need any bolting design here. Let's create it, make it as a group. Now we have to, my client told me that she need this structure to be 12 feet wide by 15 feet in depth, so 15 feet. Okay, now we have to copy this column to the other side. Control C and Control V, you can copy here. No, select both ones, copy both ones. Like this. Okay, Now our structure is 12 feet wide by 15 feet high. Let me show you dimensions. Tape tool, from this point to this point is, you can see here, 12 feet, and from this point up to this point we have 15, right? Now we have to create a beam. You can use this column as a beam as well. You can just explode this, remove the base plate. You can click and select this column, bring it to um, maybe, why it's not catching. Oh my god, this SketchUp thing, really, I'm not proficient in SketchUp. I only like work on the structure designs of the buildings, so please bear with me. And I don't know what's going on. This was our beam. You can move this beam here, here. Now we have to rotate this beam like this. You can move like this. Okay, here at this point we will have some connectors. Either it will be a moment resisting joint or shear resisting joint, or both. You can simply extrude this beam up to this point. Okay, now if you see in this picture how this beam is connected to this column, so yes, let's draw it again. You have to copy this beam like this. Again, now you have to rotate this beam like this, like this. Now you have to again extrude this beam up to this point like this. And now you have to copy this beam again at this location. Okay, now if you see, we have successfully modeled our first floor. Move this structure at the origin. Okay, so now this is our single floor. Let's create it as, and make it as a model. Now you have to draw its platform like this. The thickness should be, you can say, 2 inches. Okay, and you can copy the structure, and you can just remove these base plates. See, this will be our concept. Okay, here we will have railing. Let's go to 3D warehouse and we can write steel railing. Okay, so you can use this. You have to rotate this. See, you can simply undo everything and you can move it like this. Since we only have to show our client her concept like this, I think we have to choose another railing. This is not gonna work. A simple one. Maybe, yes, maybe this one. Or this one maybe. Yes, this will work. Let's see. I think we have to, yes, we have to extrude this up to this one, like this. No, sorry, at this point we have to create some clearance for ladder. Okay, we have to scale this inside, maybe like this, like this. You can simply, okay. I think our concept has been generated, created, and let me show to my client. Thank you guys.